It was the summer of '80, I can remember it vaguely, when I was torn from everything I knew was my safety. 4 years to see the fight in these eyes blue. Mama broke it to me, she and my father were through. I wasn't old enough to understand the source of divorce, even though this little mind was on the path of discoursing. Weeks later, we in rags, moving in this mobile home, living with this stranger with nowhere we could roam. He could never be my father, he wasn't flesh and blood, even though he nurtured us and showed us nothing but love. Sorting through the bits and pieces, broken up and defeated, seeing my father on the weekends, it was like I was cheated. With all the strength that I had, I knew I had to look past, as God directed every line and gave me faith to outlast. But his work wasn't complete, it was only a verse that carried on this composition and prepared for the worst.
Your grace has helped me.
Standing at the altar, hand in hand, heart to heart. So what could part this life that we chart? Started on this path, blessed with 4 beautiful children, building up this foundation, but my heart wasn't willing. Killing everything we built while I battled contentment, stemming from the overflow of a heart of resentment. We be turning our affections in different directions.
Hard lessons.
What about vows?
Yo, we second guess them.
My wife was slipping away, I can remember them days, debating ways of getting even ours to blame. It was a time of healing, a hopeless feeling, signing the papers in hate, it's like our fate we were sealing. Dealing with the hurt, it didn't seem to give us an option, but God was the composer over my life, he was watching. With the melody he wrote, each line he had scripted, a childhood, my children, and 2 lives that had drifted.
Your grace has helped me.
Staring at my babies, I'd been there too. It was a picture of confusion showing in their eyes blue, like a reflection of my past, and I would seem to understand that these pieces of my life are my song, God's plan. I came to my senses and let this new life in. It would complete this orchestration from beginning to end. Just a testimony of the love of a Father in heaven, always standing by your side, be a God protection. No exceptions, he's the light, the one truth, the one way. When you're falling on your face, it take you back to his grace. Take your life and rearrange it, he's just doing his duty. Refined by his beauty, help you shine like a ruby.
Yeah.
Through it all.
Through it all.
Yeah.
I'm getting my life back. Back to where I belong. Yeah. I'm going strong.
Your grace has helped me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.